What is India's rank in the Global Peace Index 2025? Right answer is option B, 115th rank. What is the rank of India in the Sustainable Development Goals Index 2025? Right answer is option D, 99th rank. What position has India got in the Energy Transition Index 2025? Right answer is option A, 71st rank. What is India's rank in the Global Gender Gap Index 2025? Right answer is option C, 131st rank. Which state has topped the Management Effectiveness Assessment Index 2025? Right answer is option B, Kerala. What is the rank of India in the World Press Freedom Index 2024? Right answer is option D, 151st rank. What is India's rank in the World Happiness Index 2025? Right answer is option A, 118th rank. Which country ranked first in the recently released Global Terrorism Index 2025? Right answer is option C, Burkina Faso. What is India's rank in the Henley Passport Index 2025 recently released? Right answer is option C, 77th rank. What is India's rank in the 2024 Corruption Perception Index? Right answer is option D, 96th rank. According to the Henley Passport Index 2025, which country has the most powerful passport? Right answer is option A, Singapore. What is India's rank in the Global Firepower Index 2025? Right answer is option C, 4th rank. What is India's rank in the Global Hunger Index 2024? Right answer is option B, 105th rank. Which Indian state has topped in the Fiscal Health Index 2025? Right answer is option D, Odisha. What is India's rank in the Global Innovation Index 2024? Right answer is option A, 39th rank. What is the rank of India in the Global Nature Conservation Index 2024? Right answer is option C, 176th rank. What is India's rank in the Travel and Tourism Index 2024? Right answer is option B, 39th rank. What is India's rank in the Climate Change Performance Index 2025? Right answer is option D, 10th rank. Which country has become the world's third largest automobile manufacturer? Right answer is option A, India. What is the rank of India in the Environment Performance Index 2024? Right answer is option C, 176th rank. Which country topped in Global Innovation Index in 2025? Right answer is option B, Switzerland. What is the rank of India in the Stanford AI Index 2025? Right answer is option C, 7th rank. According to CIPRI 2024 report, what is the rank of India in terms of military expenditure? Right answer is option D, 5th rank. What is position of India in the Hurun Billionaires List 2025? Right answer is option C, third rank. Which country has become the second largest road network in the world? Right answer is option B, India. Which state has become the state with the highest number of vultures in India? Right answer is option D, Madhya Pradesh. Which country's airport has named as the world's best airport by Skytrax in 2025? Right answer is option A, Singapore. Which country has become India's largest trading partner in the financial year 2025? Right answer is option C, USA. Which state has secured top position in the India Justice Report 2025? Right answer is option B, Karnataka. Which country has become the fifth most polluted country in the world? Right answer is option D, India. Which company has become the third most valuable brand of India in 2025? Right answer is option A, Amul. Which country has become the third largest biofuel producing country? Right answer is option C, India. Which player tops the list of highest paid athletes of 2025? Right answer is option B, Cristiano Ronaldo. Which has become the most congested city in India as of TomTom's Index 2025? Right answer is option D, Kolkata. Which state has topped the CareEdge State Rankings 2025? Right answer is option A, Maharashtra. Which city has been named as the cleanest city in India as of 2024 to 2025? Right answer is option C, Indore. Which state has highest GDP collection in India as of 2025? Right answer is option B, Maharashtra. Which country topped the Global Peace Index 2025? Right answer is option D, Iceland. Which country topped the World Happiness Index 2025? Right answer is option A, Finland. Which country ranked first in the Global Firepower Index 2025? Right answer is option C, USA. Which country topped the World Press Freedom Index 2025? If you know the correct answer of this question, so give your answer of this question in this video comment box. Now see you soon in the next coming informative video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for new updates and notifications.